Running jargons part 4. Bonk, or in Tagalog, laspag. Running out of glycogen stores in your muscles causes massive sudden onset fatigue. Generally happen to people somewhere between their 16th and 32nd kilometer. There's no coming back from bonk without rest. So for longer runs, bring some food to help refuel. Bro science, or in Tagalog, kwentong berbero. Unscientific facts spread around on the internet or via word of mouth that may or may not be based on misheard or misunderstood actual science, or just Chinese whispers and anecdotal evidence. Question everything you hear. Baka kasing gullible. Physio, a medical professional you should probably go to see if you have any problems with your muscles sooner rather than later, rather than relying on bro science. Yun lang. Happy Friday. Run, run, run!